In this YouTube video, I will show you exactly how I created this short PowerPoint presentation with the help of Deepseek AI. So let's dive in. I used this little prompt, create a VBA 5-slide PowerPoint presentation about the Maldives, and then the AI started already to think. So it took the AI to about 18 seconds, and right here you can see all the steps the AI went through. So let's dive in right here. Next, each slide needs to be added. The user specified 5 slides. Let me outline the content for each slide. Slide 1, the little slide. The title slide, probably with a title and subtitles. Slide 2 could be an introduction, maybe with some bullet points about location, population, and island. Slide 3 about. So as you can see, we have the whole structure, the thinking process about this PowerPoint like a human would be probably. Then we have down here the final VBA code, which is usable in PowerPoint. Down here we even have this short instruction how we can use this VBA in PowerPoint. Then I had a short arrow code, and then I just type in slide 2 in introduction, and there is an arrow. After that I got a whole new VBA code. Then let's copy this out and let's dive into PowerPoint. Right here we want to first enable this developer option on the top bar. So to do this, you want to go to your settings, and in your settings you have several options. You want to click on customize ribbon, and down here this little developer app option is probably disabled. Just tick this box, click on OK, and now you have this developer box. Then click on Visual Basic, click on your module right here, so the second option from the left, click on module and paste in your VBA text. Then click on sub-user start, and as you can see we now have these 5 slides requested from the AI. As you can see, somehow the AI created double bullet points. Let's delete them out real quick, and then I will show you how you can customize the designs in a few seconds as well. So if you have Microsoft 365, it's way easier than the way I will show you right now. So click on home, and on the right side you should have the option for designer. So if you don't have this option, you have to find a short workaround with the online tool of Office PowerPoint. So let's dive into the Office PowerPoint. Right here we have office.com, and then we want to import this PowerPoint saved from the offline PowerPoint version. So right here we can test, I think, 3 times a month with this design feature. And right here we should be able to click on this little designer icon on the top right corner. So you want to go step by step through all these pages, click on designer, and then as you can see we have all these options available for our design, for our presentation. So we can reload even to get some new designs. If you want to use this one, for example, you can just click on it and you have a short video in the first slide now. Then go step by step through all these other slides. Use these designer previews on the right side, select your preferred one, and then you can click on export and your presentation should be available on your computer. So this is our final presentation created in a few minutes. So we have first this short video as an introduction, then the introduction itself, the geography and climate, tourism highlights, and why you should visit the Maldives.